I thought this would be a really good opportunity to do an ASMR video, basically just folding everything I have here. I have a fleece zip-up jacket, a hoodie, I have a couple of t-shirts, one pair of jeans. This one is mine, and then this pair of jeans my husband actually just got for Christmas, and they're still in the plastic. So I thought that that would be kind of nice to just do this pair, and that way we can take it out of the plastic and enjoy those sounds too. So, so 2 pairs of jeans, and then I have 2 pairs of flannel pajama pants. So we'll just go through and fold each set one at a time. So just give me a moment. I'm just gonna make some space and grab a set, and we will get started folding. All right, so now I have a couple of t-shirts. This first one is mine. Yes. I love Breaking Benjamin, one of my all-time favorite bands. So we went to, my husband and I went to their concert in La Crosse, Wisconsin, because we live about 2 hours away from there, so it wasn't bad. Totally worth it. First time we'd ever seen them, and it was just such an amazing experience. Like the energy and just the feelings, it was just unbelievable. So this is what I got to take back home with me, and I wear it all the time. I love it. So there are a couple of different ways, super easy ways, that you could fold just a plain cotton t-shirt. First way is pretty much the way that I've been showing you so far, like with the jackets, where you could just fold it in half. And being a short sleeve t-shirt, the sleeve is just this section right here, so you don't have to worry about straightening that out and getting that to lay more flat. So you can just bring each side in and just lie the sleeves right there. Now there are a couple of different ways that you can do just this portion right here. What I went ahead and did right here was just folded up the bottom, maybe like, I don't know, like 2.5, 3 inches, and then at that length you would take it up. That folds up to be about this size. Or you can just leave it unfolded and just fold it up like that. It's just a little bit longer, maybe kind of an awkward length. So either one is totally fine. Now for the other way, and I was actually going to show you this way with that hoodie, and I completely spaced, so I apologize, but you can fold hoodies very easily the way I'm going to show you now. So once straighten out relatively flat. You can just take a corner and a sleeve and just bring it all the way over. Trying to line up all of the edges the best you can. This is typically how I fold t-shirts. I find it's easiest and just kind of what I'm used to. Bring both sleeves in. The bottom. Bring up the top. So then let's fold it in half just like that. So again, another t-shirt. So I'll show you the folding in half way again. So just go ahead and make sure that all of the corners meet and are nice and crisp. Once everything is in place, fold the sleeve in. But you can definitely use this seam right here where the sleeve is sewn on. You can definitely use that as just kind of like a nice guide as far as like where the fold of the sleeve should be. So fold the bottom up. And we'll fold the top down. And it folds up really nicely. Just like that. Okay. So now we'll go ahead and take care of the pajama pants. These are my husband's. He is a huge Packer fan, so he has a lot of Packer attire. These are definitely his favorite pair of pajama pants. Okay. So once you go ahead and get everything kind of straightened out, just go ahead and flip them over. Pajama pants are just so easy. Just straighten them as you go. folded the bottom about halfway to the top, and then I'm going to fold the top over to the bottom. This is how I always fold pajama pants too, so this is the quickest, easiest way. You can always leave things like this untied, or if you feel better about things just being tied up, maybe just looking a little bit neater. I am, so I like to do that. So alright, so there's that pair. Now this pair is mine. Also flannel, perfect for the Wisconsin winter that we've been having. But now it's the day after Christmas and it's like 45 degrees, so I don't know what's going on. Okay. Once you get everything lined up and straightened out, just take one leg, fold it right over the other. One thing that really helps keep things straight is if you take the point, kind of just pull that out when you're folding pants like this. I do this for jeans as well, really any kind of pant. If you take and just pull that out, it just helps keep everything straight and clean cut, and over time clothes start to kind of take on being folded a certain way. So just fold the bottom about halfway up, then the top over the bottom, just tucking everything in, and this bow is already tied. So pajama pants are super easy. Alright, so now let me grab the jeans. Okay. So on to the last set, and that's the jeans. These are a pair of my jeans. So usually with pants, I always like to make sure that they're zipped and buttoned. I really don't think it makes any bit of a difference, but it's just something that I like to do. So I always make sure they're zipped and buttoned first. So really just I'm doing it exactly the same as I did with the pajama pants. So just take one side, just fold it over the other. Again, if you just pull out this point right here, it really helps everything lay. Always make sure that your pockets are tucked in. A little bit above the point, and then bring done with laundry. So these jeans, like I said, my husband just got them for Christmas. He's super excited. He loves American Eagle jeans. They're just really comfy, and they're just a really good quality. And it's just American Eagle, so they're really not all that expensive. So got them for Christmas, and they're still in the plastic. Out of the plastic. Plastic is very nice. Yes, these are really nice. Really nice quality, and I'm not really sure if you can see, I guess it's pretty accurate depiction of the wash and the coloration. Yeah, I like these a lot. So we're just bringing one leg over the other. Get everything straightened out and lined up. Once it is so, just take and fold that. The top over the bottom. Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much for coming to hang with me while I fold laundry. I really do want to do more folding videos. More with folding, I think a lot with fabrics too. I feel like I just can't get enough of stuff like that right now. So I'm not totally sure if I'm going to be switching it up anytime soon, or if the next couple of videos are going to be more fabrics and folding and softer types of sounds. So, but I thank you all for watching my videos, for your kind words, anything that you give me, I appreciate. So, thank you for being with me, and I will definitely see you again very soon.